We learned how to create drawings using JIC, yeah, or NIMA standards. But let us see, if we want to create few drawings in IEC standard, how can we set the directory for that? In this project, recap again, I'm going to create a new drawing. New drawing. Let us name it as IEC tutorial 1, and the template which I am going to use is IEC A3 size, this one. Fine. Location, it's okay. Description, I am going to put power section here, lineup number 1 and panel number 1. My sheet number is 001, drawing number is 01 or 1. Okay. Yes, I want to apply my default values to this project. Sheet number 1 is power, lineup 1, schematic 1. Component, yes, fine. This is sequential wise, and this is also fine. Styles, drawing format, everything is okay. Let us hope so. So this is my drawing now. Now if you see the project properties, the schematic libraries, earlier these IEC libraries were not here. You were having only JIC. I have added it. How can you add? So just select the schematic libraries, add. See here, the new option comes here. So you can browse to your library. The normal path again will be C users, users public, documents, Autodesk, whatever version you have, and then libraries. Inside this you will find all the libraries, IEC, JIC and all. From here you have to select one and click OK. Anyhow, now I have already selected, so I'm not going to click OK. Just cancel. This way you can create, add libraries. Once you add few libraries, you can move up and down. So first the program will read from the first directory. If it not found there, then it will move to the second. That is how it follows. The same way you can add the schematic icon menu also. Here also you can browse and add. Fine. This is how we set the directories for JIC and IEC. So this is now, if you go and see the icon menu here, see it will be totally different. Earlier it was not like this. It was JIC format. Now it is IEC. Here you see IEC schematic symbol. This is how you can set the directories for IEC and JIC. Now if I draw few wires here, I am drawing a vertical empty space like this. See, again here you have to change the spacing. When you switch over from JIC to IEC, the spacing may be different. So you have to check this spacing here as per your title block. Now if I insert a particular component, let us say the circuit breaker, thermal circuit breaker, I am going to put it here downwards. Okay. Now you see all the three poles are clumped together. This is not placed in equal distance. Let me try it in another way. I want to put the circuit breaker in my three-phase line. So I want it to be put in a vertical manner. Three-phase circuit breaker, and I am trying to put it here. I want to move it towards right. Another two poles should move right. and of course description you can put, pin number, everything you can put, rating, but I'm not bothered about those things right now. See the distance, this is a huge problem. So how to fix this issue? I'm going to delete these components. If you measure the distance between, for example, these two, any of these two wires, you can find this is 10 mm, and if you measure these, you will find distance. This is the 0.888 something. So there is some issue with our spacing. So for that, what you have to do is you have to go to the project properties and drawing format here. Here you have to change the spacing. Spacing you have to change, vertical and horizontal. Okay. Now if I insert a component vertically, again this component, let us see what will happen. Again the same issue. Why? We have changed the property of our project but not updated our drawing. So apply project default values to your drawing. Now I am deleting all these components. Insert vertical, I am going to insert a circuit breaker now, right? See, now it is perfect. So, and again if I do the wire numbering, perfect. So this is how you can change your settings from one standard to another. Now in the next session we will try to create a schematic drawing purely on IEC standard. So that will give you the clear picture about the difference between IEC symbols and JIC or NEMA symbols. That will be covered in next session. Thank you.